There you are. Wake up, let's go.
Okay, I'm drunk.
Coolio.
I want to go eat a pancake.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, so what part are we doing?
Let's do chronological. Let's start part 1. Or chapter 1. I'll create a lobby.
Excuse me?
No, the face at the beginning. Also, I remember playing the first and second chapter. The first one, I remember just like being able to play through with like fun people who were nice to like play through with me. And the second one, I was in right?
Personally, I would never let myself get harassed like that, but that's just me.
Honestly, so true. Anyways, let's get it, besties. I remember what you do here.
I don't.
F the flashlight. I mean, no, not F the control. Click. Yeah, there we go. Just keep that on for like the entire game. Oh, come on, it's going, it's going. Get in, Goofy.
I am. Wait, I don't like the seat. Grr.
It's auto moving, so like you can't really. Oh. Wait, can you see your flashlight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's just me. Cause I can only see my own flashlight. And I think like the first year there's like a little like mechanical head thing animatronica.
It's like a Judy's head on a spider.
Judy,
I think. The plastic material world.
So true.
Oh, wait, what just fell?
Something fell from a lamp. What even was that? Yeah. Hey, yeah, what are those?
Paparazzi, I think.
They're like little like eyes or faces on them. What even is that on them?
It's the berserk skeleton. I don't think it spins for each other.
I'm nice, you know.
What is Judy doing? Look at her hand! Girl's internal organs running out 500 in ping.
This is where we get out. Yeah. Giant Judy exoskeleton thingy.
I thought you really wanted. I know. I have to do something. Oh,
we just like run through it, I think. Okay. This area, little ventaroonies. Okay, we gotta. I think we gotta like find lights on them, I guess. Just click the mouse.
Huh?
Left mouse button.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, also lockers, I think. Yeah, you can hide in these. I'm climbing for some reason.
Where'd you even go, bro? Hold on. I already lost you and we haven't even started yet.
You're going this way, right? Oh, I see you. Check this out. Yeah.
Okay, your flashlight doesn't work when you're crouching.
Dumb. So you go over here, I think. Oh, yeah. Hide in there real quick, because the monster's about to come out. You in there?
Yeah.
Guess what? Come on, the battery!
Let me hurry up this way. Get the wall. Let me get through here.
Oh, I remember this. Then we have to go,
Oh shoot.
create a fire. Every time I see her, all I think is, I'm a Barbie girl, and a Barbie girl.
Scared me.
I farted.
She can't get here that way.
Oh, she's here though.
Oh, she's waiting now. Is he camping? Oh, lady.
I think she's...
I can live on this.
Watch this epic sprint.
Shut the hell up, bitch.
You went the wrong way. You're supposed to go straight and then up here. Whatever, I'll go. Next area we go, I guess.
Wait, where?
Basically,
Hold up, come get me real quick.
No!
we shouldn't go back. That'd be so nice. Ooh, Vogue. Bestie was on the cover of Vogue. Slay. It's so weird how, like, Roblox devs will make a horror game out of anything. Like, literal plastic surgery Kim Kardashian Barbies.
He's camping.
Whoa. What was, I forgot, what even was that? What the?
A few moments later.
Oh, there you are.
Was not scared.
Sure. Okay, then we go this way, I think. And then up here.
This flashlight is garbage.
Oh, Judy. Jocks has proved palm olive soap can bring you a lovely complexion in 14 days. Not just promise, but actual proof from 36 leading skin specialists that palm olive soap's facials can bring complexion beauty to 2 out of 3 women. And the rest of the detectives.
What about that 1/3 of a woman?
L for her, I guess. There's a vent here, though.
Wait, how do you still have fire?
Right here, up here. No, because I was still
I
gonna grab
am
it.
so confused, bro.
No, because when you have to grab the lighter and then bring it with you. If you just like ran to the exit, you don't have the lighter.
Oh, where is it? I can't find it.
It's back at where you left. That's better. You gotta crouch though.
Oh. I crouched and I went through the floor.
No, you gotta jump, and then when you're like on the climbing wall animation thingy, then you crouch. You can actually get into the thing. There you are.
Can you move your one big leg out of my screen so my miniature flashlight works?
I don't have a flashlight. I do have a lighter though. Yo, what is that?
Hey, bestie.
You should walk through it.
I can't. It's actually a barrier. Perfection,
I think we went the wrong way.
No, we just go under it.
Oh, I
You're so
don't use
goofy
my
off.
brain.
Whoa. Oh, there's like a part you gotta run downstairs. Come on, hurry up. Cause look above you. Just like spam jump. There's rocks everywhere.
Parkour.
Shoot. Run.
I am sprinting.
This is.
Oh, didn't get me. I cheated. I
Glitch
cheated.
hitbox. Okay, come down.
Oh, I think you got me. Oh, nope, I lied. You thought you ate.
And now we're out here. Okay, here is like where that robot lady comes out.
This stupid flashlight still does not work.
Yes,
Or like, it works, but it's not bright at all.
when you hear the funny music lady approaching, just run.
Just jump in the tree.
Oh shoot! Other way. I don't know where she is, but I hear her. Wait, under the train. She's over there. Okay.
How was it telling me we're supposed to hide in like big bushes when there is no big bushes?
I know. Also, this big Ferris wheel thing you see here, that like can actually kill you. Like it's an obstacle. So you just gotta like avoid like little carts.
Starting to hear it.
Oh shoot! Other way.
I'm hidden.
Nice. Oh, I see the lady. She's going the other way. Okay, we go now. We go now. We go this way. Gotta watch out for the stuff though.
Ooh, ooh.
Okay. We gotta hurry up, find this electric box.
I had
and-
almost said /E.
Heather.
Oh my god. That is actually a very bad idea.
No,
Because what if the cave closes in?
it didn't close in, but I found something.
I found buttons.
This might be useful later on. So we can't interact with it now, so that sucks. I didn't know that. There you go. Oh shoot. Crouch. I'm hiding like right by this funny trash
I'm
can.
hiding in the trash can.
I shall too.
I mean, in the dumpster.
Okay, gone.
Bro, she needs a new soundtrack.
This. Here, just turn these blue around. What do you mean? Oh wait, just wait here. I think I gotta trigger something first. Wait there.
Can I take one of these candy bars, bro? I'm hungry.
Okay, well,
Do
we
not-
found one.
The
Okay,
door.
so that's so dumb. We had to find the thing first before we can turn it on. So that's on, right? That's 2 on. Oh, the cave. Just wait by the gate. Right there.
He's right here.
Crap. I'm hiding by the dumpster.
He's going near the Ferris wheel. We can go now.
Okay.
Hurry.
Meow. To the depths of Darn we go. Okay, let's go back now. I hear her, but I'm just gonna run. Okay, now we go this way.
No, we just go back into the monster.
What?
Of course we go this way.
Find the saw to open the back door. Oh wait. Keep lights off. Spider creature is light sensitive. Veronica. I got the saw though. What the? Oh, we had to turn the light off. That's my flashlight.
So how do we turn it off?
I don't know. We gotta find a. I don't know. Maybe we gotta find a light switch. I guess. I don't know, man. I don't know,
man.
Lately.
Got it.
Oh, nice. Okay. Now just crawl up to get the saw thingamajiggy.
So I can turn my flashlight on? Let me test it.
Actually, no.
Nope.
Okay. Ooh, you got that gut. I got the saw. Also, I lost my stupid my lighter, so I can't even like help you see. Okay, back door's now.
What door did we just unlock? I'm so confused.
I hear her. I'm going back. Hiding in here.
Over there? Bro, lead the way.
I'm going to go back because I don't think that's where it is. Instead, maybe it's this way. This one? Yep, there it is. The door near the dumpster. That's where it is.
I know, I just teleported.
Oh, sweet. Okay. You gotta find an exit.
The Juddy archives.
Wow, lightning, so scary. Oh, we're going here.
Hey, bestie.
Whoa!
You can take the sacrifice. Go
Nah,
ahead.
no, I already did enough. You do it.
What? I took the sacrifice for you. I turned the lights off. Remember? It's
Yeah,
your
but
turn.
I was
Go.
the one who tested it up for you and lost my fight. Oh, she's gone. Never mind. That sounds scary. I'm sorry. Theme park electrical.
Well, let's go the way with the ominous door. I mean, with the ominous light.
Can't go there.
Yeah, so like I said before, way with the ominous
The
light.
machines won't
Go on,
start. The
don't
wood
be
is
shy.
covered in blood. Ew. Ah! Whoa.
Dear Lord.
That was loud. Oh, we go into here now.
What was the point of coming in here?
Wait, paper. A horrifying picture to be completed. Judy World theme park. Mother says children cried at the side of the cart ride. Head was stolen. No leads. Oh, hammer. Hammer time. Oh, I forgot there's a boss battle thing with this.
Huh?
Wait, the boss battle. It's just like a it's like a centipede. Like it goes in circles. You just gotta like hit it when its head is exposed. It's not that hard, I think.
What in the parkour did you just do? Hold on.
You climb. No, it's, yeah, you
I
want
got
to.
it.
Oh, here it is.
So you have me climb up here for nothing? I see how it is.
No, back here, behind you, over here. You go this way. Oh, here we go. Boss battle time.
I want to break the door. There we go.
POV, you're playing Minecraft.
Ew. Go. Go.
Okay. Oh, gotta hide behind here, under here.
And now what?
Wait for it to start. I think we gotta go over here. Where is it? Oh shoot! There she is. Basically, she was randomly stop and like poke her head out to like slash. That time, just like attack the body with the hammer. Yeah, like that. Wait,
Stool.
that a gun? Wait, hold on, is that in the shop? Hold on, let me check if that's in the shop. Oops, I was AFK and got killed. I didn't know. Okay, I'm coming back, Back to attack.
So how am I supposed to know when to attack her?
And she just randomly stops. You gotta wait for an attack first, right? And then when she's like, void the head segment so you don't get attacked by it. Oh, I'm just hiding behind like a little truck thingy and doing it.
I got it.
Huh?
Oh, I got it. Speed it up.
Right here. No, get back. She's gonna attack.
He won't hit me.
Bonk. Ah.
Watch out. Bro, I'm hitting.
Oh. Make. Okay, cool. Well, we got it. Let's leave now.
Oh, will she die?
gonna despawn, I think. Yeah, I think she already despawned. Yeah, there she is. Okay, let's go.
Where is it?
It's here, I think. Is it? That's not it. That's not it either. Here it is. To be continued in chapter 2.
So easy. I did all the work.
No, we did all the work.
Yeah. No, me. Let me test it.
Actually, no.
Nope.
I can't. Ooh.